Hi guys, it's me, Sessa, and welcome to another episode of my life. And for today's video, I'm just gonna tell you a story about my dream 5 years ago. So while I'm getting ready, kahit wala naman akong pupuntahan. So, um, disclaimer, lahat po ng hindi siya disclaimer, advertisement siya actually. So, lahat ng mga jewelries na suot ko diyan ay gawa ko. So, if you wanna order, please DM me. So, here's the story. So, 5 years ago, I really wanted to be a vlogger or content creator already. But I did not pursue it because of the thought that I'm not pretty enough to be an influencer and I have so many insecurities and the thought na baka mabash ako, ganyan. Kasi yun nga, hindi naman ako perfect, hindi naman ako maganda. But I'm pursuing it now because firstly, my Facebook is already monetized. Sayang naman if we're not gonna pakinabang that, 'di ba? And and I believe that my story is worth it at worth it siyang marinig ng ibang tao. Although this girl has a lot of insecurities, but as you can see, I'm really fighting it off and I'm trying my best to be more confident about myself and ayan. So please be kinder as I am starting it and as a girl na ang love language ay words of affirmation. I'm really easily discouraged kapag nakakabasa ako ng hurtful words. So please, please, please be kind muna. Ayan. I really do hope that I will inspire you someday with my contents, especially those girls who are not really confident about themselves. Like me, but look at me. I'm really trying to be confident. I'm really trying to be the girl who I always wanted to be and not really letting my thoughts win because yeah, we're human full of flaws and imperfections, but at the same time we are beautiful. So, yun lang guys. See you again next time. Bye-bye.